welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn that how to make the tax payment for the financial year 25-26. In order to proceed, you will be able to see the link in the email through which you can simply get landed on this page. In case if you are not able to get it in the email, or if you are not our existing client, then simply search on the Google incometax.gov.in. You will see this page on the first tab. Once you land on this page, just scroll a little bit down. You will find one ePay tax icon. Click on this icon. Once you click, then you will see two options: Income Tax Act 2025, Income Tax Act 1961. Select Income Tax Act 1961. Continue. Then for PAN, mention the PAN. If you know the PAN, then good. If you don't know the PAN, we have already shared a competition with you through which you will be able to see that what is your PAN. Confirm your PAN again. Here retype your PAN. Then mention your mobile number and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will be able to see the OTP on your mobile number. Mention the same OTP here and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will be able to see the name, first letter and the last letter here. If it is matching with your name, then click on continue. Then you will see ePay tax option. Click on income tax, the first tab of proceed. Then financial this assessment year for the financial 25-26 is 26-27. So click on 26-27. Payment self-assessment tax. Continue. Here mention the complete amount what we are suggesting. Suppose we are saying you that you need to make the payment of 10,000. So mention the 10,000 here. You will see the amount in total here and as well as in words here. If you are if it is the same amount, click on continue. Then select the preferred banking. So if you have SBI bank account, click on SBI. If you want to make the payment through debit card, you can select the debit card. And in case if you want to make the payment through UPI or QR code, select this UPI QR code. There are some cases where you will not be able to see your bank account. So click on other bank accounts, select here other banks, and then few banks are coming. But still, if you are not able to see your bank in this list as well as the icons that is being reflecting here, then click on State Bank of India. Irrespective of whatever where you have your bank account, click on State Bank of India. Continue with this. Then this is a confirmation. Just click on pay now. Scroll down, select I agree to the terms and condition and submit to the bank. Then you will see a few options. I prefer where there are no bank charges. Select UPI. Then UPI, confirm this. Just review this information and confirm. Then you will be able to see one QR code here. Select, just scan this QR code, make the payment from the UPI app that you are currently using. Either it could be PhonePe, Paytm, Payzap or other app. And once you make the payment, this will refresh. So you have 5 minutes to make the 4.5 minutes to make the payment. Once you successfully make the payment, you get a confirmation on your email, as well as once this page will be loaded again with the confirmation of the payment. Download that challan in PDF, share it with us, and the process of making the payment is completed. Thank you for watching this video.